fully documented, wearing a detailed restoration and featuring an athletic 289 3-speed drivetrain. This authentic GT350H is an excellent example of one of the coolest muscle cars ever produced. Delivered to Larson Ford of White Plains, New York, this awesome Shelby likely spent very little time in the dealership before it was unleashed in the hands of Hertz customers. After roughly a year in the fleet and a short stint at Dockery Ford of Morristown, New Jersey, the car passed through 2 owners who limited changes to light modifications. And today, after benefiting from a detailed nut and bolt restoration, it rolls as a first-class showpiece that can anchor any serious muscle car collection or hedge any major investment portfolio. Open the doors and you'll find a crisp black interior that's clean, functional, and very attractive. The first thing you'll notice is a snazzy chrome steering wheel. A tasteful dash frames fully rebuilt gauges and a correct AM radio under a prominent Shelby tachometer. Plush vinyl seats draped in heavy-duty belts are in spectacular shape, and fade-free carpet floats pony-themed floor mats around a polished factory shifter. Lift the car's lightweight hood and you'll find 289 cubic inches of Ford V8 that's been completely rebuilt. It sends power to a tough C6 3-speed that spins a requisite 9-inch axle with an open differential and 350 gears. Few classics have the kind of attitude and presence of an old-school Shelby, and if previous trends are any indication, these cars will continue to gain value as they become more exclusive and more collectible. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.